Hello, my dear students. Good morning and welcome back again on our school YouTube platform. I, Pawan Chaudhary, your maths teacher in front of you with the lecture for grade 5th. Okay, and just we are in chapter number 3rd, that is operation on the large numbers. Now, for this lecture, we are going to exercise in 3.2 question number 1 we already discussed in our previous lecture. Now for this lecture we are going to discuss question number 2nd of exercise 3.2. so see the question number 2nd. Are you ready, beta? Okay, now see the question number 2nd. See, in the boxes you have to fill the missing digits. Okay, in the boxes are the given in the question and you have to fill the exact and the correct one and the absolute digit in the boxes you have to fill. Okay, question number 2nd, part A. See part A. 4, then 2, 1, 5, box 8, 2, 9, box 3, box 9, box 2 minus box 3, 3, blank 8, 0, 4. See beta question number 1, part A of question number 2nd. Okay, what should we subtract from 8 to get 4? Okay, what should we subtract from 8 to get 4? See, one formula is there. If we have to find, suppose see, minute minus subtrahend is equals to क्या होता है बेटा? That is difference. These formulas we already discussed in our lectures. Okay, ये सारे formulas बेटा हमने discuss कर चुके हैं. See ये आपका क्या है बेटा? Minute. Okay, this one is subtrahend and this is your result, that is difference. If you minus the subtrahend from the minute, what you got? Difference. Okay, here what you have to find? क्या चाहिए बेटा? Subtrahend चाहिए. तो subtrahend चाहिए means minute minus difference equals to subtrahend. Means what you have to do? You have to minus 4 from 8. 8 minus 4, what is the result? That is 4. Subtrahend is 4. Okay, when you subtract 4 from 8, the result will be the 4. Got it? See the next one. What should we subtract from which number we subtract 9 to get 0? See 9 बेटा कौन से नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा कि हमारा रिजल्ट क्या आ जाए बेटा? 0 आ जाए. कौन से नंबर से होगा? सेम नंबर 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. See the next one. What should we subtract from 5 to get 8? What should we subtract? Obviously we take carry from the next number. Okay, we have to carry from the next number for subtraction. How you get 8? How you get 8? You have to subtract a number from 5 to get 8. Okay, see here, when you subtract 7 from 15, what's the result? 7 from 15, 8. You have to subtract 7 from here 15 to get 8 as a result. Okay, now in this, see here 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means 7 is not subtracted from 5, so we have to borrow 110 from here. So here it become 10 and here it become 15. Then 15 minus 7 equals to 8. Okay, see here in this case you have to subtract 0 minus 3. It's not possible, so we have to borrow 110 from here. So here it become 1 and here it become 10. Now subtract 3 from 10. What's the result? here it being 7. Okay, 7. Now 1, from 1 you have to subtract a number to get 3. 8, it become 8. So 8 is not subtracted from 1, so we have to take borrowing one number from here. One number, suppose a number is not there, we have to borrow 110. Whatever number is there, we have to borrow 110 from this number. So here it become 11. 11 minus 8, here it become 3. Okay, now see here what number we place here, from which number we have subtract 9 to get 3. See here it become 3. See, from when we borrow 110 from here, so here it become 2. Okay, 2. Now we borrow 110 from the next number, so here it become 3 and here it become 12. Now subtract 12 minus 9, here it become 3, and now 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, now if you want to check whether this subtraction is right or wrong, so what you have to do, you have to add subtrahend plus difference. So see here, 2, 9, 8, 3, 7, 9, 4, 1, 3, 3, 7, 8, 0, 4. Add these. We are going to check. 4 plus 4, 8, 9 plus 0, 9, 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 2, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 3, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Check here whether the minute is the same or not. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 9, 8. This means whatever digit we fill in the boxes is the right one. Our answer is right. Okay, so like this we have to solve the questions. See the next one, that is question number B. Question number B. See the question number B. First we write the question here, box 2, 3, box 4, 1 and 5, 6, box 7, 7, 4, box and 5. You have to subtract. See this question, 5. Oh, we have to fill one more entries. 2, 3, box 5, box 2 and box. See here, first 5 minus 5, 0. If same number is subtracted, then answer will be 0. Okay, now what should you subtract from 1 to get 2? Obviously we subtract from 11. Here it become 11, here it become 3, because when we borrow 110 from here, so here the number is reduced and here the number is increased. That is the successor, here it become the successor and here it become the predecessor. Okay, now what should you subtract from 11 to get 2? Guess the digit. From 11 you should subtract a number to get 2 as a result. 9. When you subtract 9 from 11, you get 2 as a result. 9, 10 and 11. So here it become 3. So whatever number should be here, we have to borrow 110. Here it become 13. Now you have to subtract 13 minus 4, 9. What's the result? 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. Now select 7 you have to subtract from a number to get 5 as a result. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. 12 means here you have to write 13, one more, 3. See here, when you borrow 110, here it become 2, here it become 2, and 7 is not subtracted from 2, so we have to borrow 110, here it become 12. Now 7 you have to subtract from 12, result should be there, that is 5. Now 7 is not subtracted from 2, we have to borrow 110, here it become 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Now what should you subtract from 1 to get 3 as a result? 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. Here it become 11. So whatever number should be here, you have to borrow 110 from here. So 5. Sorry. 9. So 9 we have to borrow 110 from here. So here it become 8. Here it become 8. Then 8 minus 6, 2 is a result. So in this box you have to fill 9. So if you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, so how you check? You have to add the subtrahend plus difference. 6, 8, 7, 7, 4, 9, 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 9, 2. Now check. 5 plus 0, 5. Here it is 5. 9 plus 2, 11. 1. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Carry 1. Okay. 7 plus 1, 8. 8, 5, 13. 3. Carry 1. 7 plus 8, 8, 5, 13. 3. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. 2. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Check here. 9, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5. Here the minute of the subtraction and the addition both are the same. That means our subtraction is the right one. Okay. So what you do? You have to solve the question number C and D by yourself. At your home you have to practice question number part C and part D. If you're having any type of doubt, then you can ask me. Okay beta. Thank you. That's all for today. Okay. Bye and have a nice day.